Welcome to the third episode of this series, and here we have a 3-move layer on blue. You can insert this corner into here in one move, and then you have these 2 mover left. So now we are going to try to one-note this, and I have a couple tips that can make it easier. For the corners, always try to trace corners in the bottom, because whenever the first move, for example, doesn't affect these 2 corners, so we only have to trace them for 2 moves. So for the first move, it's doing this move, so they aren't affected, and the second move is doing this, so this will move over to here, and the third move is doing this move, so this will be pushed over to here, so the green will be in the back, and here the green will be here, so we have pi with the headlights over here. And then for the centers, whenever you can, you have 2 gen in the front here, the one in the back isn't affected, so what we can see is, by inserting this core into here, red will be in the back, and it won't be affected by the last 2 moves. So now we will trace some other centers. So we'll start with this one. With the first move, it moves over to here. The second move, this center isn't affected, and the third move, it will be pushed back to the top. So we know red is here, and we'll move over to here, and the top center will be solved. Then we will take another one, so this one for example. So by doing the first move, it will move up to the top. The second move, it will move over to here, and with the third move, it will move over to here. So we see that will be solved. So we have 2 solved centers here, and the red will move over to here. So that means that we have pi with the headlights over here, the 2 solved here, and a U-perm going like this. So that means we have this case. And I solve it using an alg, and it goes like this. But if you don't want to learn algs, or you're pretty new, you can solve it by solving it like pure pi, and then all the centers will stay in the same place. You can either do it by double hedge or double sledge, and then you just have a U-perm left.